Ever made a payment and wondered where your money went? Or maybe you're sitting there, staring at your screen, trying to figure out if that mysterious charge is legit. Welcome to the world of online transactions, where clarity can sometimes feel like a unicorn. Today, we're diving into the realm of Airwallex, specifically how to track those digital breadcrumbs of your money. Let's face it, financial stuff can be a snooze fest. But stick with me because we're about to turn this into an adventure. Think of it like being a detective, except your case file is full of numbers and dates. We're on a mission to uncover the secrets of your Airwallex transactions. So, you've used Airwallex. Maybe you've sent money overseas, made a payment, or even received some cash. But now you're scratching your head, wondering where to find the details. Fear not, intrepid explorer of finances, we've got you covered. First things first, let's talk about the Airwallex app. It's your one-stop shop for all things transaction related. Picture it as your personal financial command center. Once you're logged in, you'll find a treasure trove of information just waiting to be explored. Head over to the transactions section. It's like stepping into a time machine. Every payment, every receipt, every little financial move you've made is recorded here. You can sort by date, amount, or even payment type. It's like having a personal financial assistant who remembers everything. But what if you need more than just a quick glance? Airwallex has your back. You can download detailed statements. It's like having a printout of your financial journey. Perfect for those times when you need to do some serious number crunching. Now, let's talk about those pesky fees. We all know they exist, but sometimes it feels like they multiply like rabbits. Airwallex is pretty transparent about fees. You can usually find a breakdown of charges right there in the transaction details. No more guessing games. But what if something's amiss? Maybe a payment is missing, or there's a charge you don't recognize. Don't panic. Airwallex has a customer support team. They're like financial superheroes, ready to swoop in and save the day. So, there you have it. Unraveling the mystery of your Airwallex transactions doesn't have to be a headache-inducing ordeal. With a little know-how, you can become the master of your financial kingdom. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand your finances, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions. So, take some time to explore your Airwallex account. You might be surprised at what you find. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy transaction hunting.